So far we have done coding the shopping cart class with unit test, and next we are going to implement the view shopping cart feature that allows the customer to view shopping cart details. And this is the user interface design for the shopping cart page that displays all the books added by the customer to the shopping cart. You see the customer could see all the book details, the titles of the books, the quantities, the unit price, subtotal, and total amount of all books in the cart, and then the customer can decide to continue shopping or to check out, to place order, to buy the books. And let's review the class diagram for this section. You see, we are going to view the code the view cart Servlet class, which an instance of this Servlet class is invoked when the customer clicks the Hibernate card here in the header menu. You see, note that the customer doesn't need to log in to